Hello everybody, a very good evening to all of you. So today I'm once again back on day 69 and yeah, I'm so glad that I'm on the very close space to complete my challenge. Yeah, so now let's talk about what is we are going to do in today's video. So the first thing that I have decided to share with you is around 4 to 5 names of different kinds of fears that are so common in people that you must know the names of these phobias or fears. So the phobia is a Latin word which means any kind of fear. Okay, so for example, I'll give you an example. For example, acrophobia. So there are a lot of people who are afraid of deep heights. Okay, they cannot go on high mountains. They cannot see downwards from a very tall building. They are very afraid of heights. So what is the name of this fear? You can call them acrophobia. Not them, this is the name of the fear. So that name is, the name of that fear is acrophobia. Okay, so similarly there are hundreds of names of the fears that are so common, but in today's video I'll be sharing just 5 names of the different fears. So the second is claustrophobia. Claustrophobia is the name of phobia, obviously a name of fear, in which people are afraid of enclosed places. Yeah, so for example, there is a small room, okay, and there is somebody who is afraid of being in enclosed places. They cannot live in a small place for a long time. They feel suffocation, right? So yeah, that fear is claustrophobia. The another is hydrophobia. There are a lot of people, and I am one of them, who are afraid of water. If I will go into the river, I will be afraid that what if I flow with the water. So yeah, I can say that I am I am a person who is hydrophobic. Yes, so hydrophobia is the fear of water. The another kind of phobia which we have is xenophobia. Xenophobia is a fear in which people are afraid of meeting new people or meeting strangers. Yeah, so there are a lot of people who are introvert kind of, and they are not so comfortable in talking to strangers. They cannot be friends easily with the unknown people. So that name of fear, that kind of fear is called xenophobia. The another type of fear is gamophobia. See, a lot of people try to escape from getting married, probably because getting married is not a joke, definitely. Lot of and very big responsibilities there, which you have to obviously go with when you marry. Okay, so many people who are afraid of getting married, and that fear of getting married is called gamophobia. So I hope that you are liking these names of the different kind of fears. We will be continuing this series, continue further, but in today's video just 4 to 5 names of the different kinds of fear I'm going to share with you. The last kind of fear is agoraphobia. Yes, agoraphobia. Yeah, agoraphobia is the name of fear in which people see, agoraphobia is the exactly opposite of claustrophobia. Claustrophobia is a fear where people afraid of closed places, right? But agoraphobia in this kind of phobia, people are afraid of open places, right? So open places or crowded places. So if you are a person who doesn't like to be in very crowded places, you don't like to go in the populated market or very crowded market, so probably you are the person who are agoraphobic. So agoraphobia is a fear of crowded places either or open places. Yes, so with this I have finished with 5 different kinds of fears, and I hope that you guys are liking the sessions. I hope that these were helpful to you. Thank you so much. Stay connected. Bye bye.